All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Christian Yelich bat or Hank Aaron jersey. So we'll check the time, March 16th at 8:21 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raffle and type live, and we have March 16th at 8:21 p.m. There is the list of our 30 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Lindsay. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Lindsay, please message me your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 16th, 8:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.